So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a smart attendance system project by using camera and RFID module. So before start the next part, I would like to tell you the smart attendance system project I have designed many times on my YouTube channel with different concept. So first concept was the smart attendance system by using only camera. The project thumbnail you can see on the screen. Second concept was like that the smart attendance system by using only RFID module. Then third concept was like that the smart attendance system by using RFID module and fingerprint sensor. So if you want to design that if you want to design and develop that project by yourself, then you can watch that video. Each and every video link given in the description. Okay, so after that one I received the many time request from my one subscriber. He requested me please design and develop a smart attendance system project by using camera and RFID module. So I accepted his request and today we will learn how we can design and develop a smart attendance system project by using camera and RFID module. Okay, so before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So you can see on the screen we have the Raspberry Pi 3B plus. You can use any Raspberry Pi 4 also, there is no issue. Okay, so how to flash the OS into Raspberry Pi and how to install the software which is used for the smart attendance system, that is like face recognition library, main library, OpenCV library, that I have already explained in my previous video. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen. It is very important you should have the latest OS and latest library installed in your Raspberry Pi, that I already explained in my previous video. Okay, so project concept is like that. We have the Raspberry Pi 3B, we have the camera, then GSM model 900A, then LCD, I2C LCD, then fingerprint sensor and buzzer. So let's say if we run the project, then on the screen it will show the project name here, smart attendance system. Then after that it show please enter the lecture name. Then by using keypad, so we have the keypad like this normal keypad I have attached to my Raspberry Pi. Here you can see USB port. So by using that keypad we can enter the lecture name. So once we enter the lecture name, then it will ask scan your face. Then if the student come in front of this camera, then it will recognize the student from the database. Okay, so once the face match, then it will ask here scan your ID card. So this is the ID card. Okay, so after student scan his ID card, then the attendance taken, then attendance load into the Excel sheet with the lecture name, with the date and time. Okay, for the student. Then again that if the same student again try to give the attendance on, then that time it is show on the LCD next student duplicate attendance. Okay, so it is asking the next student to scan the face. Also once the student scan his card, then on the LCD it will show attendance sent to the parents. Okay, by using this GSM module, parents will get notification that his or her student are attending the lecture. Okay, so notification concept also there. So in this project I will explain you how you can design and develop this project by yourself, how you can connect all the hardware by yourself, and I will also give the program which is free of cost. So please watch this complete video, then definitely you will design and develop this project by yourself. Now first we will see the practical demonstration of this project, then we will see the program part. Now let's see the practical demonstration of this project. So once I run the project, it shows the project name and then it shows the please enter the lecture name. So let's enter the lecture name by using the keypad. So keypad already attached to Raspberry Pi USB here. So I am entering the lecture name as a physics. So once I enter the lecture name physics, you can see On the LCD it shows the scan your face. On also Raspberry Pi screen you can see. So this is my Raspberry Pi screen. You can see on the Raspberry Pi screen it opened the camera window. So this is the camera window. So you can see this is the camera window, it is opening and it is asking scan your face. Okay, right now on the LCD it is asking scan your face. So I will come in front of the camera now. So this is very important, your camera window should open, then and then only it will ask the scan your face. Okay, so as soon as it detect my face it will show the scan your card. Okay, so I will come in front of the camera. Okay, so once it detect my face you can see it is asking scan your card. So this is my ID card. So once I scan my ID card, then here you can see for the demonstration I have the two different mobile for two different students. So first Rahul will scan his card. You can see your attendance taken Rahul, message sent to the parent. So here live we can see the message receive or not to the parent. Okay, so just receive the message for the Rahul. You can see your son or daughter attended today's physics class. Okay, now let's say if the second student, now let's say if the Rahul again tried to give his attendance, so he will again come in front of the camera. So you can see if the Rahul again try to give the attendance, it is showing on the LCD attendance taken next student. Okay, because the face already taken and Rahul attendance already taken. You can see on the screen also it is showing the Rahul face, but is not taken considered as a attendance. It is not asking for the ID card. Now if the next student come in front of the camera, so I will call the next student, so for demonstration. Okay, once she come in front of the camera, you can see the Raspberry Pi camera window, her face will detect and it is asking on the LCD scan your card. So now she is scanning his card, her card. Okay, so you can see message sent to the parent, attendance day for the Pranali, the second mobile, your son or daughter Pranali attended today's physics class. Now once the attendance taken, you can verify the attendance from the Excel sheet. In the Raspberry Pi there is already Excel sheet. You can see this is attendance Excel sheet. You can open this Excel sheet. So once you open that Excel sheet, you can see there is a lecture name physics, and for the lecture name two students given the attendance, Rahul and Pranali, with date, okay, and presentee. Okay, so this is the idea behind this project. I hope you got the idea behind this project. Now we will see the hardware connection and then we will see the program part of this project. Okay, now let's come to the hardware connection part. So it is very important to watch my previous video, that is RFID based attendance system project. So because in that project only I explain how to connect all this hardware with Raspberry Pi. Currently I am using the same hardware connection, so I will not explain that connection again here because I have already explained each and every connection in detail in that video. So please watch that video. That video thumbnail you can see on the screen. Additional part is only this camera. So this is the USB camera. You can see this is the only USB camera. So this is just the USB camera. You can connect that USB camera to Raspberry Pi USB port here. Okay, so that's it only. This is the simple hardware connection. I again repeat, I will not explain this hardware connection here in this video because each and every detail about the hardware connection I have already explained in my previous video. Okay, now so let's understand the program part of this project. So it is very important you should download this folder from my website link. The website link given in the description. So folder name is RFID plus camera based attendance system. Okay, so once you download this folder you will get all these files that will be in the zip format. So you have to unzip that one. Once you unzip that one you will get all this file. Okay, so first I tell you, already I explained you this part in my previous video, which is smart attendance system by using camera module. So in that video I explained how to create the database, that is like this PNG images. You can see all these images are nothing but my database. So this is my image. Then again second image you can see. So different types of person image are there. So you can create that database. How to create the database? You have to just open this code. I will explain very shortly because this part already explained in my previous video. Thumbnail you can see on the screen, and from that video you will get idea. Okay, so this is the code which is used to which is used to create this image. So once you double click on this code, capture image from camera, so this capture image from camera code will be open in the Sony browser. Then after that you have to just if you are using the Raspberry Pi camera, then you have to change the camera port here as per your camera port. If you are using the USB camera, so once you open this code, then you have to change the camera port as per your reference. I am using the USB camera, that's why I have given here port 0. You can try with -1, -2, 1, 2 and 0 if that image is not open. So once you run this code, then it will ask the person name and you can click on that. You can take the photo, and after that person database will be created here. So that process I have explained in detail in my previous video. Please watch that video for more understanding. So for this project, this program is very important. RFID plus camera attendance system. Okay, so this program is very important. If you want to open this code, you can double click on this code, and then this code will be open in the Sony browser. You can see this one, RFID plus camera. So in this code only I explain each and every part of the connection, and in the previous video also I explained. So watch my each and every video that I explained you previously. Okay, some library that you need to install, like this XLT, then LCD, then RFID library, then face recognition library. So how to install this library? There is already command that I have given here. You can see in the command file. You can double click on this folder, and then after that you can run each and every command. So how to run the each and every command? Just copy this command from here, copy, just go to black terminal, serial terminal, this one, Raspberry Pi serial terminal, and paste the command and press enter. So once you press enter, each and every command will install. I have explained each and every command in details in my previous video. So if you want that detail, you can watch that video. Otherwise you can install each and every command here also by using this video. So once you install all the commands, this code, this combination of two code, first is face recognition code and second is RFID code. So I have just merged that two code into this project. There is nothing much complex here. Okay, so I will quickly explain this code here. So first is CV2 capture, video capture. Here you can see 0 is nothing but your camera port. You can change this camera port as a 1, 0, 2, 3 as per your reference. If you are using the USB camera, you can use the 0. Then some variable. This part is very important. What is important of this part? You can see person name, that is the student name first, student image name. So this image name should be matched with your database. So you can see here my database name is rahul.png. That's why I have given here name is rahul.png for the Rahul. Then mobile number, that is the parent mobile number. Then RFID card number. Then you can this data you have to fill by yourself for your identification. Okay, so person 2, you can see there is a person 2 with name, person 2 image. You can see here in database there is person 2 image, pranali.png. Pranali is person name, then Pranali parent's name is here, and the Pranali RFID card number is here. Then this type of data you have to fill if you want to add, if you want to update this data for your reference. Okay, so this is basic information. Then after that our main code will start here. So once you run the code here, it will print on the LCD. Please enter the lecture. It will print on the LCD RFID plus camera attendance system. Project name will be print on the LCD by this line. Then after that it will print on the LCD. Please enter the lecture name. Then it will create this Excel sheet in the folder. You can see this Excel sheet by using this line. Then after that it will ask, please give the current subject name. On the LCD it will print lecture name. Then you have to enter the lecture name. Then whatever the lecture name, it will print on the LCD. Then after that scan your face, it will print on the LCD. Then after that once you come in front of the camera, it will scan your face. This code I have explained in detail in my previous video. Please watch that video. So once the image is scanned and it is get matched, then it will come here. Then RFID attendance system, this function will call. Okay, once your face gets matched, then it will call this function RFID attendance system. It will come here. Then this attendance system code will work. Scan your card. Then it is asking your card. Once you scan the card, then here it will print on the LCD your attendance taken, your name. Then buzzer will turn on and off. Then message sent to the parent. from this function gets called message send function. So from this function your message will be sent to the parent, and this message will display your son or daughter name, attended today's lecture name. Okay, so from this function it will send the message, and then after that the data gets stored into Excel sheet. So this is just combination of two projects. I again explain. So this combination of two projects. So if you want detailed understanding again of each and every code, please watch my both project, you will get idea. So I just explain you in short how this code work. I hope you got the idea about this project. So if you want to run the project, just click on this run button, then it will start working. Okay, so I hope you got the idea about hardware and the program part. So if you like my content, please click on like button, please subscribe my channel, please support me. Thanks for watching this video.